Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we'll be unboxing the Amantii Slim Panorama electric fireplace. This fireplace comes in multiple sizes. Those include a 40, a 50, a 60, a 72, and an 88 inch. Today we'll be unboxing the 60-inch fireplace. The first thing you'll need to do is inspect the product for damage. Make sure there's no obvious dents or holes in the box. If there is, please give us a call right away. Now, let's unbox the product. With the packaging set aside, you can now remove the fireplace. I would suggest a second person, as these are quite heavy. While removing the fireplace, you'll notice there are a number of extra components included in the packaging. Those are an installation manual, a remote control, hardware to attach the fireplace to the wall, some fireplace media ranging from acrylic to glass, and a spare motor. And that is everything you need to know about unboxing your Amantii Slim Panorama electric fireplace. If you'd like to know how to install this fireplace, please click the link in the description below. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.